Bra, kuthiwa sama-helicopter sebuyile kosiphepha sethwala abantu ebasa kosiphepha ebasusa esidakeni kubosheleni le kubombanyana khona ngale kusiyaphansi emahlaba skulu kubi bathi ugwayi udabukile abantu baphakathi kwamanzi so kuthiwa ama-helicopter sethwala abantu ebasa kosiphepha besiyagcina laphana esibhedlela.
Where Army helicopters have been deployed to airlift at least 50 families stranded by floods in the southern Tsholotsho district. A river in the area burst its banks on Saturday, cutting off the community. Brian Truscott reports.
Air Force of Zimbabwe helicopters had already made 8 rescue trips to and from the Sipepa district of Tsholotsho by late last night. The Meteorological Services Department says police divers have also been deployed in the area, but so far there are no reports of any lives lost. Tsholotsho isn't the only district affected by Dineo. Homes have been badly hit in Mberengwa, Bulilima and Umzingwani. Roads, bridges and some small dams have also been damaged. And with reports of crops being destroyed in several districts, the effects of Dineo will be felt for some time to come. Ryan Truscott, Eyewitness News, Zimbabwe.